6 biggest mistakes people make when buying a home. Number 1, not acting fast. When you find your dream home, it's also other people's dream home. You want to inspect, do your research, and make an offer fast so you don't miss out. Number 2, not getting a pre-approval. How are you going to act fast if you don't have your loan pre-approved? What happens if you win an auction and then you can't get a home loan? Having a pre-approval reduces your risk and makes it far less stressful. Number 3, expect the building report to freak you out. Every property has some problems. The report is often scary as the inspector is covering themselves. So if you go with the building inspector when they look at the property, you can talk it through. Number 4, buying off the plan. It's really risky, especially if you have a small deposit. You're committing to buy a property now, but your situation may change or the value of the property may drop, and then you can't get a loan when it's time to settle. Number 5, listening too much to the media. Buying a home is scary. If you focus too much on the media, then you'll end up scaring yourself out of buying a home. There's almost always some kind of risk to the economy or housing market if you go looking for one. Number 6, buying too late in life. Generally, houses have gone up in value over the long term. If you bought a house 10 years ago, you're likely much better off than someone who bought a house today. Buying a house earlier in life means you'll have a smaller mortgage and you may be able to retire earlier. If you'd like to learn more, you can check out our free online home buyers course.